Hello everyone. In this video we will demonstrate the overvoltage protection which will be used for lithium ion battery. So it is an NMC based lithium ion battery for 34.5 kWh rating. For this is the maximum voltage is 403 volt and we will generate the fault at 403 volt if it exceeds that value, and we will reset the fault condition 398 volt. So we will use the relay alternate implementation for that. So we will not use directly relay, we can use, but we will have to implement it to the alternate implementation. So for that we will use the OR logical operator. By double clicking it we can take the OR logical operator. Then we will take 2 compared to constant block. One is for upper limit and second is for the lower limit. So by simply copy paste, upper is for fault generation, and if it is exceed the level of 403 volt then it will generate the fault. So I give the value for compared to constant block. Now I will give the value for the lower limit which will be used for the reset value of fault. So if it goes below to 398 volt, so then it will be flag will be reset. So for that we will use one switch block. The output of the OR logical operator goes to the control port of the switch. True port of the switch block goes output of the upper level voltage which is 403 volt, and for the false port of the switch will be for the holding previous value. For that we will use the unit delay block. Inverse and then simply connect. Let's display. To give the multiple inputs at the same time, we are using the repeating sequence stair. By double clicking it, we can add the repeating sequence stair, and into that we are now giving the various values. Here we can see the input voltage difference. For the checking purpose, if this is working correctly or not, we will use one relay block. We will give the value for that. We will give the same input as we are giving to the alternate implementation. We are observing the output in a different. Now we have added the subtract block. If that block gives a 0 value, that it is showing that our alternate implementation is working properly. So Control A, we are enabling the output values, and now run. So when there is a input voltage is 370, the output is 0. Then it is 390, still output is 0. Then it goes 410, we are getting the fault is generated. Then it goes 400, still the fault is generated. And then it hits the 398 level below to that, so it is giving the 0 value at the output. Then it is a normal condition, 370 volt, fault is 0. So this is the main working principle of overvoltage protection. We can use the OR block, 2 compared to constant block, and one switch with the 1 unit delay to hold the previous value. We can implement the overvoltage protection by using only one switch.